And they're both yawning. Okay? And so those are big numbers. And I think you encounter a little bit of that in the case. That's what the case is asking you to explore. What's changing from old to new, from old costing system to new costing system? What's being revealed? What's being overcosted? What's being undercosted? Okay? And now, drum roll, please. Let's make this so we can see the whole darn thing. There, we can see the whole darn thing. Every word, write it down. This is the second slide I want you to copy down. No, they are not. Notes, man. But now they're going to be on video. Well, I don't know. I bet they are legible. Because he can zoom in. He can show you almost word by word what it says. And I want all the words written down. I'm going to do this. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. It is hard to do upside down. Not sure that helps any. Not really. There we are. I hit. I mean, and I can read it. So if you all cannot read it, glasses are in order. As we all know, I now have good glasses. You got it all written down? Every word? Did you write down every word?
I believe so. If you can read my writing.
You didn't write down the word in the bottom left-hand corner.
Oh.
Every word. And I'm a little less concerned about the lines up and down and left to right than I am just about the general shape of that, just a rough, rough general shape of that figure. She's made good use of her doodle zone. And then Stephanie to your left is now erasing patterns. She like filled it all in, and now she's erasing patterns.
She's more dedicated.
So Brandon and Christy, what's this mean? Since they're now starting a game of tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, I was waiting for you.
What's this mean, right? You're on a board of directors. You've hired Gary Kokens and his team to do an activity-based costing analysis of your production facility, and he comes into you on the board of directors and says, this.
Can I take a shot of this? I think I got it.
Please.
Well, I'm thinking that you want to sell between 500 and 700 products, because on the left is your revenue minus your ABC product cost. So essentially, kind of like your gross margin a little bit. And so that's.
So when you say this many products, are you thinking units of product,
Well, I assume
Or is this, so let's get that clear first, right? Is this units of product,
I'm assuming it's units.
or is it different products?
I think it's different products.
It's different
Okay,
products.
So you want to sell between 500 and 700 different products to maintain your highest profit,
Okay,
I think.
okay.
I could be wrong.
You're being evaluative in addition to being descriptive. In fact, in this case, might not be so good. And we'll talk about why in just a moment. But that is the single most common kind of knee-jerk reaction to this. And that is, well, why are we making these products? Let's not make these products, right? Why? Let's stop now. Right? But so let's get the definition of it first, and then I'll answer that question. So definitionally what it is it's, well, let's get an understanding. I mean, you know, a line is a series of dots. Let's talk about the first dot. Let's get an understanding of what these mean. So the first dot, you hanging in there? Good. The first dot, what's the first dot mean, Angie? What does the first dot represent?
The first product that we produce.
Which is the first one? And this is where the phrase in the bottom left-hand corner is helpful.
The highest profit margin product.
Yes, our most profitable product. The first dot is telling us about our most profitable product. Okay, so what does it represent about, what number is it graphing about our most profitable product? Not break-even point. Profit. Profit. ABC, profit calculated using activity-based costing. The first dot is the profit of our most profitable product. But it's just the scale of this is such that it looks like it's still on the line. But that's the profit of our most profitable product is the first dot. Okay? So Mr. Roberts, what's the second dot? Is that all it is? So now you got to look across the top of the graph. What's that tell us? I'm sorry? Cumulative. Well, we're imagining the dots. I mean, this line is composed of 900 dots. It's not just a squiggly. I mean, you know, on the screen it's kind of just a squiggly thing, but mechanically it is 900 dots that then form this line. So yes, we're in some sense imagining. Well, it's on that line somewhere, yeah. Okay. So the second dot
is the second most profitable combined with the first.
precisely. It is the profit of our two most profitable products, the cumulative product of our two most profitable products. So far, so good? Okay. And so, what about 500? What's the 500th dot then? Carrie?
Is it the profit of every first 500?
Yeah, the 500 most profitable products that we make. Yes, that's exactly right. It's the cumulative profit of the 500 most profitable products that we make. And so Mr. Kanoy's conclusion is correct in that we're losing a lot of money here, aren't we, on these last 200 products. And so these happen to be our 200 least profitable products. And this is line number 900 is our 900th least, our absolutely dead last least profitable product.